Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Teddy here and welcome back to my weekly b-boy tutorial. And today you're in for a treat because today I will show you guys how to do the super thread set. And you might be wondering what is super thread. So super thread is the set that consists all the thread that I've compiled into one set. So today I'm going to show you guys how it's done. But before I start, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification icon so whenever there's a new video coming up from this channel, you will get notified. Alright, so without further ado, let's jump to the tutorial. My suggestion for you guys out there that don't really do much thread, you might want to try do some basic thread first before you try out this move, because as you know, this set is all about thread. If you can't do thread or you're not comfortable with thread, then you might having some hard time to learn this. But it's your choice. If you want to try it right away, then it's okay either, no problem. Okay, now let's go to the step one. Lay down flat, grab your left foot with your left hand like this. All right, now we're gonna do the first thread. You're gonna swing, you're bending like your left leg to the front, your left hand is gonna place on the side of your right knee. Okay, so you can see now we create a space to do the thread. Now your swinging leg, which is your left leg, is gonna go in here. Alright, so now we're gonna do the first thread. Continue, place it on the ground. So your left leg or your left foot now is on the ground. From here, your right leg is gonna bend and coming in. Alright, and your right foot will grab by your left hand like what I did here. So there's the second thread. From here, you're gonna bring your left leg out. Okay, and now do another thread. So on this part here, after you do the thread, you might want to hook your left leg onto your right foot like what I did here, because it's easier to continue to the next step. Alright, then do the normal thread that we used to do. Now here's two options for you. When you do the thread, you can just start the normal thread and place it down on the ground, or you want to do another way, which is after the thread, along the thread you might want to bring your body up. Okay, you can do that also. So let's just continue with the thread that where I bring my body up. Okay, we're gonna continue from there. After the thread, bring yourself up, place your right leg on the ground, and now step your left leg into this part here that we just created. Alright, step in and then jump and thread again. Okay, so the last part, again same thing, few options. After the jump, you can put your left leg on the ground and pause, or you can continue after the jump to the floor rock. Two options for you. You can choose either one. Don't be confused, okay? A lot of guys must be confused right now because it's a lot of steps and it is thread. Okay, thread meant to make you confused, make the audience confused. So now don't worry about it. I'm going to start over from the very top. First step, thread out, bam, left foot down, right leg bend in, coming here, grab your right foot with your left hand. Okay, now do another thread. Alright, so coming out, there's space here. Thread out, hook. Now bring your body up, the ground. Left leg comes in. Jump and thread. Left leg. Two choice. Coming in or to the floor rocks. Now this time I'm gonna do it super slow, and also this time I'm not gonna say anything, so you just focus on my movement. But you see just now what I did for this set is from top until the end is all about thread. That's why I said earlier, if you want to learn this, it is good if you can do thread or comfortable with thread, because it can help you throughout this set. That's it, the super thread set. Please don't copy all of these and put into your set. Please don't. What I did here is just give you guys some ideas, so take this as an idea and expand it into your own style. All right, so that's about it. Hope you like this kind of video. Subscribe, let this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.